oh.
You got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden.
Yeah.
They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went and took me by surprise.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, me, Evan, Tom, and Zach are going mountain biking. We're going to go pick them up right now. I have a little bit of a cold. Hopefully the video looks good. I finally got a new phone, so it's much easier to vlog. Got that iPhone, what is it, XS Max, whatever. So we're going mountain biking right now. We're gonna go pick them up, and I'll see you guys when we get there. So we're here, we're on the lift, me and Evan. Tom and Zach are in front of us. I rented a bike. Those three guys brought their bikes. So we're gonna check it out, see how it goes. I'm scared I'm gonna drop my phone here. Yeah, we're gonna get some runs in. It's super nice, you know? Yeah. All right, see you guys on the GoPro.
Yo, I'm gonna endo down this whole thing.
Alright, we're just going, yeah. Tom, check if this bitch is on.
Yeah. Wait, let me see.
Is it counting down?
Alright, let me look. Look at me. Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. You good, Evan?
Yeah, I'm good.
How's your hands? Are they hurting yet?
Cramp.
Yeah, same.
They cramp up hard in my fingers.
Fucking go.
I'm getting death grip, so I gotta. Oh yeah. I am roasting this.
Go first, Tom.
I'm trying to take it easy on your bros. But be all set long, I can keep up. No, you can rip it. Oh yeah, don't worry about it. I'm gonna try my best to keep up with you, but it ain't gonna happen. oh, oh. Yowzers. Here. Yeah. Am I good?
The bike's fucked.
Is it? Fuck. Ow. Fucking hurt. Fuck.
Hold up. Let's go this way.
You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Just ate your trailer a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, he's shit.
Yeah, hold it. Fuck.
You sure you're okay, buddy?
Oh, I'm good, I'm good.
Okay.
I saved it.
Okay.
Almost went off the cliff. Dude.
The bike's fucked.
Yeah, this thing is
Or the derailer's fucked. Yo guys, so I'm going to talk over this part a little bit because I never really filmed or said what happened. So as you saw there,
This is where it hooks on.
Zach kind of ate shit. He shouldered the tree and then fell. And his bike was pretty messed up. The derailleur was snapped off. Luckily, these guys on the side of the trail had a chain breaker. So we took his chain apart, took the derailleur off, and shortened up the chain and just put it around 2 gears, and it worked good for the rest of the day. Well, a little bit of a backstory. Zach and Tom as well actually are both just coming off ACL surgery, as they both tore their ACLs at the same time over the winter, hitting massive ski jumps at Mount Snow. So we were supposed to be taking it quote unquote easy. We tried, but everyone was just we were just kind of going as good as we could go. As this is technically me, Zach, and Tom's second time mountain biking, and it was Evan's first time. Me and Tom actually went like 3 years ago. It's one of the first videos I've ever posted. So if you guys want to check that out, check the link in the description. I'll put it down there. But basically, we're all pretty inexperienced at mountain biking. But all around, great day. And I'm going to continue the video with some more GoPro.
I'm dead, dude. Come on, bitch. This is not the hardtail trail. Evan's probably done.
He's coming.
Now I can fix my glove.
Shouldn't be too bad from here, tunnel-wise.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No, it wasn't too bad. It's just
I just flipped off that little.
After a while, it gets to you. Get fast.
I fucking love it though.
Sending this one?
This one?
Got it?
Jump on it. Ready?
Yeah.
Give a little space.
Yeah, it's gonna slow us up.
Yeah, until we get there.
Go down the road.
Check this out. Ready?
This is the shit I like, these fuckers.
You can feel that.
Why?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
Mhm. Yeet, yeet. Get it! Yeet, yeet. Go! Come on, get sideways, bitch! Yeet. Get it, bitch!
pussy boy. Come on, pussy! To your right.
That's why it's so rough for you left. You're in the drainage part.
Yeah, let's just stand right here.
I know, right?
That felt good.
Yeah.
You got squarely one spot.
Where?